Hi guys, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Gonna make another video for you today. First off, let me show you the funnel. It was supposed to be ripples. Turned out pretty good. Can't see the ripples real well, but it turned out really nice. Dried good. The gold is beautiful. I really love this one. So if you're interested, let me know. Okay, so today I'm going to be working on this 10 by 20. And somebody put this up on one of the painting groups, this nifty little cup. Got it at Walmart. It's got the divider in it. It's silicone. And it didn't cost a whole lot, like $2.97 or something like that. So I'm going to be using it today. And it's going to be a funky color day. I've never used these colors with each other, so might turn out, it might not. We'll just see how it goes. So I'm going to be putting colors on each side of this and then holding my canvas up this way and see how it goes down that way. Yep, my colors are really funky. We'll see how it is. So, they'll be listed in the description below, but it's hard telling what's going to happen. Start with this side, I guess. I'm not sure how big this cup is. I couldn't find on the package anywhere what size it said it was. This is a bronze. That was red ochre, I think. This is a bronze. Have some silver. Whoa. Gotta watch my sticks. I'm just gonna fill both sides and see what happens. This is metallic white. Have some on both sides of this one. I think this is Naples yellow. Don't have much of it left, as you can tell. That's this color. I don't want the same colors on both sides, so. Different colors on the other side. Or we might have to use some of these colors on the other side too to fill it up. Okay, that's good for that side. Now let's start with the other side. Ugh. I don't even know if these colors will look good together or not. I just pulled them out and hoping for the best. Oh, some of them are really stuck on there. You know, I want some white in here also. And this is worn penny. I do know that. That off of there. Let's put some silver in this side also. Finish up this little bit of silver that I have. I know this is going to be way too much paint, but you know, that's how I roll. Get my spatula out of the way. It doesn't have a spout or anything on it, so we're just gonna go for it. See how it works. Here we go. Oh, I dripped. Oh, that's not too bad. Let it run down a little bit. Okay. I like this side better than this side. This side feathered better, I think. set. Let's give it a torch. Air bubbles out of there. Looks pretty darn nice. Let me cut back. See if I can move it a little bit without putting any cell extender on there. Use what I've got on the canvas to help it flow better. Keep my hands wiped off because I don't want to contaminate the other side. Try and keep the colors separate as most that I can. Bring it back this way. We're not doing a very good job of letting you see what I'm doing. Let's see if I can turn it around some. Go up this way. Sorry about that. You're seeing the back, but I don't want to lose what I'm doing here. It's turning out pretty cool. Let me see what I can do. Gosh. Don't want to lose all that. Get some off of here to bring up here to help it move. Okay. Let's go down this way, see what happens. Come on. Move for me. Do it. I know you can. Come on. All right. See? You had it in you all the time. All right. Now we got to get this one last corner. Some on here so we can bring it back. Come on. There we go. Just got it on my arm. good look at it. Let's see, I think I saw something in my paint. Oh, big something too. Glad I got that out. Well, I know I'm gonna have to go through my paints before very long and clean them all out. They are making messes in my paint and I don't like it. All right, let's give it a torch. I think that's good. I think I like it that way. My hands wiped off some. Peeking through here, I need to fix that, but I can fix it afterwards. There we go. How about that? Bring you up for a close-up. Those cells are coming up. There's no silicone. Isn't that beautiful? Turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to with the colors that I chose. I really like it. Love the colors. Let me get that. That's bugging me. I don't have a clean hand. I'll have to deal with it afterwards. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you're staying safe. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me with my placement with YouTube. Please leave me a comment if you so desire. Really like it if you subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I sure could use more subscribers. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right here every Monday and Thursday. So thank you so much. And as always, please have a great day.